Hey everyone, welcome back to UIX channel. Today we are diving into an essential topic for beginner UX UI designers. How to add a color palette to your design project that's not only visually appealing but also developers friendly. By the end of this video, you will know how to create and organize a color system that makes collaboration with developers seamlessly. So grab your favorite design tool and let's start it. For this, first I just take a rectangle of it. First I make a rectangle, and now the main part is how I add color palette in my design process. As a UX UI designer, we always keep in mind that we have to choose that kind of color which is developer friendly. So what we do, we visited this website which name is Tailwind CSS3 colors, and you can see there is lots of color palette. You can choose any color from here. How to choose? Well, it's very simple. I just click this color palette or this color palette. So I have to add this website in my plot. Don't worry about that. I will give this color palette link in my description. For now, I'm going to Figma and I'm clicking the plugin. I have already added it in my plugin. We'll search Tailwind. See, here is your plugin. Just click it here and now, boom. First, you have to choose any kind of color from here. If you click here, this color is copied in your clipboard. I'm back to my Figma. Just paste in the code of it and here you can find. So here is the main thing. You have to paste it here. Now here you can see automatically they give the name of it radical red. But I'm suggesting that you should add the same name that we found in the CSS. What's the name of that? You can say yes, its name is Rose. I just copied it from here and I'm pasting it here. Clicking create variable. Now you can see this color palette has been added in your library. Clicking another one, you can choose any color palette from here, anything. Just copy it from here and press Ctrl V, paste it here. Again, I'm copied the name of it here and clicking create variable, not create style, create variable. And here you can see my color palette is chronologically added in my library. So the question is why I use same kind of name that I found in Tailwind CSS. If you give the same name in your color library, then developer will easily find the color and they can understand what you are using. So when you are trying to create any kind of project, you have to keep in mind that make such kind of design which is developer friendly. Now, if you want to add more color in your project which is not included in this color palette, what you do, because you're searching there is only few, maybe 10 or 12 color palette, but what about the other color palettes? If you want to use any kind of color palette in your project, so how to add that in your color library? It's very simple. I have already found two popular color palette website. One is Colors, another is Color Hand. I will give the two color palette website link in my description. So if I talk about the colors, it's one of my favorite color palette website. Here you can generate your color palette easily, or you can go to direct. You can go to the or direct. You can visit trending palettes. I'm clicking here. Yes, here you can see lots of color palette. Very unique color palette are available here. You can choose anything. This one, and it's really looks very cool. You can just click here, same like as Tailwind CSS, and you can use in your project. So I'm just picking any color palette from here. Just copy it. It has already copied the color palette in clipboard, and go to tailwind and click here UI colors. Now I'm going there. I can just here I'm pasting same color. Here I'm pasting the color palette code. Here you can see find this image. And now you can pick here. I'm selecting 700 and I have already backed, and I'm backing in my Figma. Open the tailwind, paste the color, and doing the same work that I have shown you the few minutes ago, and clicking create variable. See, here is your color palette. For making any kind of design, you have to choose your color and doing the same process and make the color library which is developer friendly. And if you want to vintage color, I'm picking this color code and back to tailwind, paste it here. See, I got my color palette. And the other process, you know that. Back to tailwind, paste it here the palette, change the name, and clicking create variables. Here is a palette. And I hope this tutorial will help you to make your project more beautiful, more impactful. And if you have any question about project, let me know and I will try to make a solution video for you. Bye for now, and happy design.